Hi everyone, I'm Jonas. I'm a NUS undergraduate, year one this year. I have taken the course CS50 and this is my project. So in CS50 we learned Python Flask. My project involves using Python Flask and the web page application that helps me determine the optimal combination of feed ingredients for a livestock diet. Whether you're a farmer, nutritionist, or you're just someone involved in livestock management, this tool would simplify the process of formulating a cost-effective and nutritionally balanced feed mix. So, balancing the diet for livestock such as poultry, cattle, swine, etc. Uh, we are concerned about their health, and the challenge is to find the right combination to meet the specific nutritional requirements while minimizing the cost. This is where the calculator comes in. So, let's say we have this example. Without going much into further details, let me start with my project coding. So over here, I have the Python app, Python program. Over here, I have the calculate HTML, and here are the results. So first, I will start with running the Flask program. Example that I've already came up with, which is daily amount of 800 kg, a minimum of 30% protein, maximum of 5% fiber. It costs 30 cents and this costs 90 cents. We calculate the minimum cost, and as you can see, our calculator immediately gives us the minimum cost of 437.65, the amount needed each respectively for corn and soybean meal. So this led to my readme. As you can see that this reads the correct results. So now you have the ideal feed mix that satisfies the specified nutritional requirements while minimizing your feed costs. Conclusion. This is a calculator which simplifies an often complex task of formulating cost-effective and nutritional balanced feed mix for livestock using the livestock program in SciPy. Alternatively, we can use the traditional means of applying the operational research formulas from mathematics. But whether you are managing a small scale or large scale operation, this tool will definitely optimize your feed formulation process and improve efficiency. I'm Jonas. This is my CS project.